Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited coins on the FlickReels app. So as you can see, I got tons of them. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So what we need to do is go to this website, hexmods.com. So once you're on the site, guys, you're going to see tons of modded apps. So just type in FlickReels and you will find the modded version. Press the download button and bang, 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 the download has begun. So let's just wait for it to download here, as you can see. So this is super cool, guys, and it fully works. I don't get involved in mods at any point in my life, really. But I needed coins on FlickReels, and I found this version, and it actually works. So as you can see, it says complete 2 free apps or surveys to finish installing the mod. It's going to be all these apps, and basically what you got to do is download 2 of the apps. And you got to read what it says, and you got to complete it. So Travel Town says downstall play level 10, so just press on it and press continue and it will bring you to the Play Store, and then you just download it and reach level 10. Then we've got the WGT Golf, reach level 2. So I just press on it, download it, reach level 2. Then we've got PDF Reader, download, install, stay in the app for 20 minutes. All right. And the same deal. So I'll see you later, but that's how to do it. There is a video to watch if you're confused, which is kind of cool. So that's how to get free coins on FlickReels in 2025. Unlimited coins. So that is pretty wild. So if you're poor on FlickReels, there's no excuse. You can just download the FlickReels modded version, complete the verification or whatever it is. Kind of looks like a verification to me. And you're going to be all set. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to tell your friends, because a lot of people are not, in my opinion at least, aware of this. But it is real. So yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super insane. And I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in another video, and peace out.